This tent-style 2018 Rockwood Hardside A212HW folding pop-up camper from RV World is a great blend of easy camping and home-like comfort. This 20-foot 10-inch long camper has a smooth fiberglass exterior that's vacuum bonded. Weighing just 2,560 pounds, it's ultra lightweight to tow. Across the front there are two tinted windows with shades, a front trunk for storage, a docking light, a front diamond plate, and a manual jack. Equipped with a power roof lift assist, setup at your campsite is quick and easy. Underneath the camper, there are Easy Lube independent torsion axles, 14-inch radial tires with aluminum wheels and electric brakes. There's a 30-amp detachable power cord with storage bag, outside speakers, Wi-Fi extender, and a solar package that's great for boondocking. The interior features plenty of windows with privacy curtains all around for natural light and a 3-speed ceiling vent fan for great air circulation. The front booth-style dinette folds down into a bed so that this unit can sleep 3 people. It also has storage underneath the bench seats. The rear bed has a quilted top innerspring mattress that is thermostatically heated. The kitchen has a 3-burner glass-top stove with oven, microwave, and a 3-way refrigerator. Visit us at RV World and you'll find some of the most popular RV brands at the nation's lowest prices. Find us online at rvworldmi.com or give us a call at 616-965-2250 and let our friendly salespeople help you find the perfect RV.